Understanding Traffic Collision, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning of the term traffic collision. This phrase is not just important for understanding news reports or conversations, but it's also crucial for anyone who's using the roads, whether as a driver, a pedestrian, or a cyclist. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a traffic collision is, but you'll also be able to use the term correctly in your conversations. So, let's get started. A traffic collision occurs when a vehicle collides with another vehicle, a pedestrian, an animal, a road debris, or other stationary obstruction, such as a tree or a utility pole. It's important to note that this term is often used interchangeably with car accident or car crash, but traffic collision is the preferred term in many legal and official contexts because it implies that the event was not necessarily accidental but may have been avoidable. Traffic collisions can happen for a variety of reasons. Some of the most common causes include distracted driving. This happens when the driver's attention is diverted from driving, for example, by texting or talking on the phone. Speeding. Driving above the speed limit or too fast for the road conditions can lead to collisions. Drunk driving. Driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs impairs judgment and reaction times. Weather conditions. Rain, snow, fog, and ice can make roads slippery and reduce visibility. Running red lights or stop signs. This illegal behavior can result in collisions at intersections. Understanding these causes can help drivers make better decisions on the road and potentially avoid collisions. The consequences of traffic collisions can be severe, ranging from minor vehicle damage to serious injury or even death. Additionally, traffic collisions can have legal consequences, including fines, license suspension, or jail time, especially if negligent driving behavior like drunk driving was involved. It's crucial for everyone on the road to understand the potential consequences and strive to drive responsibly. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a traffic collision is, its common causes, and its potential consequences. Remember, being informed and cautious can make all the difference on the road. Drive safely, stay alert, and let's all do our part to prevent traffic collisions. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.